So I was scrolling through Facebook this morning and I found this post here by a good friend of mine and fellow agent, John Kellogg. Uh, just listed in Rockland, great house for a family or investor, yada, yada, yada. Great post. Everyone should be doing this, but check this out. He put in this Zillow link to direct people to the property. Gives you the stats on the property, all this information, request a tour, all this stuff. It doesn't say John Kellogg anywhere. It doesn't say EXP, his brokerage. Yeah, it does, way down here. Here's the point I'm going to make. If you go into your KV Core, and let me back up. This is your dashboard. We're going to go to all listings. And we're going to put in this property, searches for it. Here it is on your dashboard within KV Core. All this information is pulled over through the IDX feed. And when you click on this link, this is what it takes you to. EXP, which is his brokerage, as is mine. Phone number, this is mine, but if he did it through his KV Core, it'd be his. And then you go through and have all of these choices on how to communicate with this listing. All of the property information and description is pulled over through the IDX. It's branded here with crediting him as being the listing agent. But right here, it would have his picture and his contact information. So the question I have for everybody, would you rather post this on your Facebook posts and advertise for Zillow? Or would you want this and advertise for yourself? Keep people within your digital footprint. That's what KV Core allows you to do through their websites. So if you have questions on how to do this, please reach out to me. I hold classes. I do one-on-one trainings. I even go and do full setup. Because I want people to use KV Core and digitally brand themselves and not use our competitors. As realtors, we're charged all of these fees. We're forced to give all of our data to the MLS, and then in exchange for that, the MLS sells our data to the likes of Zillow, Redfin, Movado, and then they generate leads and sell them back to us. We need to stop this. We need to advocate for ourselves and brand ourselves, and that's what KV Core allows us to do. So if you like this content and want to see more of it, please follow me, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.